Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mastery for Money for roofing contractors. And you may be joining us on our Skool is a free roofing group site that we've put together, or you may be joining us on YouTube or any of our social media sites. So today, as starting a new roofing business, I thought we would go over some of the things that we need to get set up and get organized with as we are just starting our roofing company, or we're looking to improve our roofing company and really just need to get back to the basics again. So I'm going to share the screen with you. I just thought it'd be an easy way for us to do this. We'll go right to the screen. And so here we are, a Mastery of Money for roofing contractors, a free bookkeeping course just for you. And we have this free bookkeeping course. There's one on our website, and then over at Skool at our community that is exclusively I have made for roofing contractors, so that we can help you in your business, so that we can answer any questions, and for us to connect together just to talk about the roofing industry, what's working, what's not really working. But anyway, here we go. Hi there, roofing professionals. Welcome to Mastery of Money for roofing contractors. We are your go-to guide for setting up solid bookkeeping systems when you're starting your roofing business. Like I say, my name is Helen DeFries, and today I'm going to walk through 3 simple steps to get your money system in place, which I believe is really, really important to have your money system, to have your workflow system. You may have heard, us talk about SOPs before on AccuLinks, Job Nimbus, any CRM like that. And that's kind of what your money system is. It's how you're going to process your money, how you're going to receive money, how you're going to pay bills, how you're going to track things, how you're going to figure out if you are making a profit, or where you're losing at. So we want to identify those areas. So you can focus on, what you do best, and that is building great roofs, giving, customers great service, and taking care of their homes. Do you know your numbers, your gross profit per job and job costing? And then the first step we're going to do is set up our business bank account. Now, your business bank account is very crucial for you. You can, set up a new business account if you have your federal ID number as a business. A lot of good ones, I think, to work with QuickBooks Online or Wells Fargo, Chase, Capital One does a really good job too. But some of your bigger banks actually sync better with QuickBooks Online than other accounting software. So that's just something to consider when you're choosing, what bank that you want to bank with. But just make sure that they're treating you well. And so that's the first thing we want to do. And if you don't have your federal ID number, you can always go to the irs.gov website and get that just with your social security number. And they will give you one in about 5 minutes right online. But if you don't have that, or you don't want to go that route, it can be any personal checking account that you just use exclusively for your roofing business. Don't be using it for any personal information though. So you want to make sure that there's no balance. You just have $50 in it, and that all the transactions coming through that bank account are only for your business. And we also, with QuickBooks Online, we connect your bank account to QuickBooks Online. So every day you could just click an update button, and then you could see all the transactions, all the deposits that are coming through your account. And then we will allocate those to different categories, expenses and income and that type of thing. But that is the first step. And just as a FYI, I will be including this in the documents, whether you're in school or on YouTube, so that you'll have this information and you can go over it to help you, do each one of these steps. Then the first one is to set up your bank account. And then, as I was talking about with QuickBooks Online, you want to choose the right bookkeeping software. There are a lot of different softwares out there that will help you digitally keep track of all your financial transactions. And be sure and use your online, Dropbox and Google and those type of things to be saving all of your documents too. And then you won't have any papers that you are bothering with. So that is a good way. But there's QuickBooks Online, there's Sage, there's Peachtree, even some free tools like Wave. I have tried Wave, and I cannot, honestly recommend Wave. I think you need a better system for roofing than what Wave actually offers. But I specialize in QuickBooks because I just find it the best thing, is for roofing contractors and any construction company. And then if you want more like a modular system, then Sage, I would recommend them. So they are a good company too. But just choose one that fits your budget. If you're using QuickBooks, I would take the subscription for QuickBooks Online Plus, okay? And you can always, check my website or whatever. And QuickBooks is usually offering like for 3 months, 70% off. So you can try it out, see if you like it. If you don't like it, then you don't need to continue with it. So find something that works for you, whatever works for you. I know some of you guys and gals, maybe you're still using spreadsheets, but I would encourage you to switch over to a software solution that is, in the cloud and you can easily get to, and it, really will save you a lot of time. All right. And I hope you are enjoying this so far, and I hope it's helping you. But the next step, or third step, and our final step is just tracking our income and expenses. And when we set up like QuickBooks Online, we set up income and expenses for roofing contractors exclusively, so that you're ready to go. It's a done for you service that we do offer. And then we also have some templates that you can just receive and get started that way too. But we'll have, for example, categories for your income, your different projects, track expenses, your materials, your labor, your overhead costs. And for roofing, I generally set up several different types, like residential roofing shingles, metal roofing, like roof repairs, even, OSB plywood repair. As you're doing a roofing job, you may have to repair some plywood, and then flat roofing, and then commercial roofing. So you can always divide those up to see where you're receiving the most sales, and then, your expenses of, what you're actually making on these jobs, to make sure you're not losing money in any of those categories. But we do have a Mastery of Money for Roofing Contractors free bookkeeping course, and that is on our Skool roofing exclusive community there that I have formed just to speak with you and help you. And I will be approving some bookkeepers to come in there, because I want you to get the help that you need. But, for every 10 bookkeepers, 10 roofing contractors that join the group, there will only be one bookkeeper. And that bookkeeper will be following a course that I have created just for roofers, because I want to support you. And this is actually on my website as well, QuickBooks Online training course for contractors. And then on Skool, there will be some paid courses that if you do want, to get trained by me, then you can join in with us on that. But if you did find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I really appreciate that. I'm trying to get, my message and helping roofing contractors out. And so it really helps, if you share my videos and if you, just give me some feedback on what you might like to see in a video. I would really appreciate that. But thank you for watching and happy roofing. And I will be attaching this to Skool, the group, for your free bookkeeping course, and then also on YouTube, so you have this information and all of my contact information as well. Okay, well, thank you so much. And then we will see you in our next lesson. So be sure and hang around. All right, bye-bye.